How to fix Vanilla gift card not working. I'm going to show you a few different methods. First, you want to check the balance, ensure the card has sufficient funds. Sometimes a purchase might be declined because the card's balance is lower than the transaction amount. You can check the balance by visiting the Vanilla gift card website or calling their customer service number. Another reason is you may not have activated your card. Verify if the card is activated. Some Vanilla gift cards require activation before use. Follow the instructions on the packaging or visit the Vanilla gift card website to activate it. Okay, you want to enter the correct information. When using the card for online purchases, make sure you're entering the correct billing information such as name, address. Sometimes a mismatch on the address of the Vanilla gift card and your address on the ID might cause this issue. So Vanilla gift cards might need you to register a billing address online before they can be used for online purchases. Ensure you're entering the exact card number, expiration date, and CVV. Check merchant restrictions. Some merchants may not accept Vanilla gift cards or prepaid cards. Confirm whether the retailer website accepts prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift cards. Transaction issues. If your transaction exceeds the balance of the card, the transaction will be declined. If this happens, ask the cashier or merchant if you can split the payment between your Vanilla gift card and another payment method. So those are basically some of the reasons why your card may not be working. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.